Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we're going to talk about iframe. Let's get started. So now, what do you use iframe for? An iframe is an HTML element used to embed another web page or external content like videos, map, websites inside the current web page. So an iframe is a short for what inline element as well. So iframe in HTML is used to display another web page inside your current web page. So now let's say for instance you actually want to build a website and you want a scenario whereby if a user come to your website, a user should be seen on that website on your own website. So now let's actually get straight into it. So now let's make use of iframe. So let's write iframe over here. So iframe. So can you see that? So let's just make use of it. Now XLC stands for what? Source, and the frame border. Let me just delete this. So in case if you want to copy this, just screenshot it or snap it. So let me just take this off. So now it's asking for a source. XRC stands for source. So now let's actually make use of. Now most of the websites out there, they already disable iframe. Why? Because of ethical hacking, guys, so that they will not be able to penetrate to their website. So most of the websites already disable it. So one of them is Google. So enter. So now let's try and use Google. So let me paste it inside here. So let me right click over here. So let me just use H1 should be iframe. So now let me open with live server. So now we have this. Can you see that over here? So we are not allowed. So let me actually use let's use West Fargo. So let's use this website as well. Let's see if they actually disable it as well. So now let me copy this. So let's see if. So I told you the reason why they disable it, because of what? So can you see that they already disabled this as well? So let's make use of. So we have a bank which is CUDA. So let's make use of CUDA. So let me copy the URL. So cancel this as well. So let me take this off. So paste it. Now it's actually loading. Now we have this. So now this border. So if we can add 5. So can you see the border? So it should be 0. So we can actually add height. So we can actually add width. Should be, let me give it 1 2. Can you see that? So it's actually loading. We can actually add height as well. So let me give the height. The height should be 900. So can you see that? So now this is our own website. We are having another website on our own website as well. So you can actually make use of iframe to do something like this. So now how do we embed a map on our website? So now how will you go about that? So just go to any of your browser. So search for any website on your mind. No, just search for any location. Any location. So now let me just search for Abuja. So Abuja. Now once you are here, you are going to come to map. So come to map over here. So now it's actually loading. So let me just zoom in a little bit. Now it's actually asking for share. So now share. So you are going to come to embed a map. So embed a map. So you copy this. So now let's paste that here. So now it already comes with what? iframe already. So we have allow full screen. So now let me break it over here so we can see it. Break and break. So now let me scroll down a little bit over here. Can you see that? So now it's saying allow full screen. Do you want it to allow full screen? Is it going to be true? So this allow full screen is going to be true. So allow full screen. So it's actually listening to the width, which is this. So this way we can actually give it 1 2. So now can you see that? So now this is how you can embed a map on your website using iframe. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe so that I'll keep making good videos like this. See you guys next time.